Hi, in this lesson, we're going to be learning the G major scale in two octaves on the violin. So you have your open G, you have your A, you have your B, you have your C, you have your D, you have your E, you have your F sharp, you have your G, you have your open A, you have your B, you have your C, you have your D, you have your E, you have your F sharp, and then G. Same thing applies when you are descending. So I'll play that now. G major scale in two octaves in solfa notation on the violin. Kindly take note that on the G and G string you have your second and third finger closed, while on the A and E string you have your first and second finger closed. So you have your G as your do, you have your first finger as re, you have your mi, you have your fa, you have your sol, you have your la, you have your ti, you have your do, you have your re, you have your mi, you have your fa, you have your sol, you have your la, you have your ti, you have your do. Likewise, when you are descending, the same thing applies. So I'll play that again.